Assalamu alaikum friends, how is everybody doing today? Today we will be making mutton karahi, restaurant style mutton karahi. It's very easy, it's very simple. You don't have to use too many dishes to make this dish. So only one karahi, that's all you needed. So okay, let's go see how to make this karahi. Okay friends, my karahi is getting hot. I put it on the stove for a little while ago. So we're gonna add oil because this dish takes a lot of oil. So I'm gonna use generously, but I'm gonna use in this dish a little bit generously. So this is already hot, the pan. So I'm gonna add meat. I have 1 pound of mutton. So this is very nice and tender meat. So I'm gonna put 1 pound of mutton in there. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So in this one, I'm going to be adding 1 spoon of salt or maybe salt to taste, okay? And then 1 spoon of garlic and ginger paste. You can mix it properly. It's very easy to make this dish. You don't have to do too much work either. No chopping the onions, no chopping the tomatoes, no chopping any peppers, nothing. You don't have to chop nothing. You just have to put everything whole in there and cook it. So look, I have 3 tomatoes. I just removed this at the end part and then I'm going to put it like this in there, whole tomatoes. And I'm going to add half a glass of water in there and let it cook for 20 minutes. Okay, I'm adding like half a glass of water and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, okay? Until the tomatoes get tender. Then I'm going to show you the rest of the stuff how to do it. Next step. After we finish with this step, we're going to go to the next step. Okay, I'm just going to cover this and cook for 15-20 minutes. It depends upon your meat, how tender it is, how soft it is, okay? Okay, that's it. We're going to wait for 20 minutes. Okay friends, it's been cooking for 15 minutes. Let's check our meat. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh, look at that, how nice. They're cooking and the tomatoes are done. And we're going to remove all the skin of tomatoes. See, it's already coming off. So we can remove all the tomatoes skin. Okay, we removed all the skin of tomatoes. Now we can start crushing these tomatoes. Tomatoes को अच्छे से तोड़ दो, फिर उसमें मिला दो. I'm gonna cook for 10 or 15 minutes more. Let's cover this back. Cook for 10 more minutes. It's a very dry dish, no gravy in there, but I like a little bit of gravy, so I put it a little. If you want more gravy, you can put a little bit more tomatoes in there, maybe 1 or 2 more tomatoes. Actually, this is a really dry dish. It's not going to make too much gravy, but I would like to have a little gravy in there. Okay, we'll wait for 10-15 minutes more. Okay, now it's cooking for 10 more minutes. So I'm going to add rest of the spices in there. Oh, looking good. All the tomatoes are dissolved in there nicely. And the meat is cooked almost 80% done. So we're going to cook again with the spices. Okay. The spices. We have 1 spoon black pepper, 1 spoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half a spoon crushed pepper, red crushed pepper, and 1 spoon Kashmiri red pepper. Okay, it's not hot, it's not spicy, so it's not going to be spicy for you. So I'll just add that. Now I'm going to add jumping everywhere. So now I'm going to put a little bit of green pepper, crushed. Let it cook for a few minutes. It smells so good. Now I'm going to add half a cup of yogurt. So we are not going to be, if you have 2 pounds of meat, put 1 whole cup of yogurt. I have only 1 pound of meat, so I'm adding half a cup of yogurt. So we're just going to stir this yogurt and break it. They don't form the lumps in there. इसके लिए liquidy. इसको सारे lumps को तोड़ो. इसमें yogurt. You're gonna mix it like this. Okay, we're gonna cook for 10 more minutes. Okay, we've been cooking for 10 more minutes. Let's see. Look, all the oil start coming up. It's releasing the oil. तरी आ गई है ऊपर. So हम इसको complete करते हैं. So we're gonna complete the dish. See, so yummy. Looking so good and so yummy. I have some julienne cut ginger, 1 spoon, but like a 3 inches of piece. So I'm going to put some, half of it in there and put half on the top. And I have some green pepper. I'm going to add a couple of them. I'm going to put the whole one because I don't want it too spicy. Then I'm going to put just a minute. I'm going to cover it, cook for a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes more. Okay, this has been cooking for 10 minutes. So our dish is ready. Oh, I forgot to add this kasuri methi, dry fenugreek leaves. Okay. Now it gives the karahi smell. When you add the fenugreek leaves, dry fenugreek leaves, it smells so good. Okay. For 2 minutes more. Then I'm going to remove it in the serving dish. I'm going to show it to you. Okay friends, our karahi gosh is ready. This looks so yummy. Please try it and let me know how it is. Okay, see you next video. Bye. Allah Hafiz.